So I noticed a couple of different presets going on there, and I wanted to make sure that we are working from the same screen here. And a quick way to do that is I'm going to go over to the top left-hand corner, go Document Properties, under File. I want to make sure I'm set to 24 by 24. This is what I want to have set on my screen. Units are in inches. I'm just going to go ahead and also make sure that I have this box showing up on my screen. If I don't see it, that means that I'm not zoomed in properly. There is a couple of different ways to zoom. However, the easiest one that I use is I hold the Control button on my keyboard and I scroll on my mouse to allow me to scroll in and out. This allows me to zoom in and zoom out to this point. That being said and done, I'm going to go ahead and grab my circle here. And when I go to make my circle, I'm going to make my circle, and I'm actually going to go to a predefined shape. I want to go by 5 inches by 5 inches. Or if I'm not at that point, I can just go to my pointer tool and go, this is set a little differently. We're going to go 12 inches by 12 inches. Okay, I have it set up 12 inches by 12 inches. This will allow us to all be on the same page so that when we're looking at this, it's not like we're sitting at, for example, this would look incorrect if, oops, I probably shouldn't do that. I were to go like, for example, 0.25 inches. Oh, shoot. That really doesn't go over well. Let's go with 4 inches by 4 inches. Or so on and so forth. It won't work if I... Oh, shoot. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. So if I select this and if I have a circle that is minuscule, tiny, next to nothing, and I have it set at point... And I have it set at 0.125 here. You're going to notice that it's going to give us similar shapes to what you're getting. And it's also not going to process correctly, which is why we're getting these weird lags on the screen. It just won't look correct because we're so small here. So make sure that when we're doing this, we are zoomed out to the full screen size. And we are making a circle, in this case, 5 inches by 5 inches. Remember that the width of this line is really only a reference point here. So we can do that, and then we go and make sure our width is set to 0.125 and we hit enter. And there you go. Now it's all set. But let's make sure we go back to these defaults here so that when we go and test this out, we're all working from the same base level. And from here, then we can go and make adjustments. But let me know how this goes for you, and we'll go from there.